In this demo, you'll learn about the functionality in the manufacturing application area of Microsoft Dynamics NAV 2009. The manufacturing functionality within Microsoft Dynamics NAV 2009 provides manufacturing capabilities based on simplicity and flexibility for small to mid-size manufacturers. It helps businesses respond quickly to rapidly changing customer demands by helping them take advantage of new revenue opportunities. Also, the manufacturing functionality enables businesses to provide responsive customer service and improves business performance from the shop floor to the bottom line. Eduardo wants to get an overview of the company's capacities. Eduardo wants to verify the setup of two shop calendar definitions. In order to open the shop calendars window, he uses the search functionality. Eduardo reviews the available shop calendars. Shop calendars are used for presenting the availability of capacities and are a rough setting used for the calculation of a replenishment plan. Eduardo also wants to view the machine center and work center setup for capacities. There are three types of capacities within the manufacturing functionality: work center groups, work centers, and machine centers. The top level is the work center group, to which work centers are assigned. Machine centers are then assigned to a work center. The planned capacity of a work center consists of the availability of the corresponding machine centers and the additional planned availability of the work center. The planned availability of the work center group is thus the sum of all corresponding availabilities of the machine centers and work centers. Eduardo wants to get an overview of the different setups for work center number 100. The information he sees concerns the assembly department of the company and is used by a range of facilities that can help him with his capacity requirement planning. For example, on the Scheduling Fast tab, Eduardo can see that the work center has 3 sub-level capacities. The next thing Eduardo needs to verify is the company's production calendar and capacities. If needed, he can calculate and recalculate calendars at work centers and machine centers. Eduardo next wants to get an overview of the machine centers assigned to work center number 100. Eduardo views the capacity values for the 3 machine centers assigned to work center 100, numbers 110, 120, and 130. Eduardo observes that the total of capacity values, 3 by 480 units, equals the overall capacity of the work center, 1,440 units. After that, Eduardo wants to see the load of work center number 100. In the Work Center Load window, Eduardo gets an overview of the daily capacity and allocated quantity after the fulfillment of production orders in the work center. Eduardo now uses the Work Center Statistics window to get a quick overview of expected versus actual efficiency percentages and total cost of the assembly department. At a glance, he can see the status of the work center on the current date. The information is based on all calendar entries and production order capacity need lines that have been created for the work center. Finally, Eduardo creates a specific work center, external painting. Eduardo assigns a subcontractor to the work center to manage external work in relation to the manufacturing process. Next, Eduardo generates calendar entries for work center number 500. The basic capacity management functionality within Microsoft Dynamics NAV 2009 enables you to get an overview of the available capacity and the load on specific resources. With these features, you can easily set up the capacity resources, work center groups, work centers, and machine centers, and define production calendars.